you can tell, we got some snow, and it's already melting. Done it for a couple days, sleeted and snowed, sort of. It was more of a hard sleet, okay? And we're getting ready to shoot, do a little target practicing with the good old 22s. Mossberg 702 Plinkster and the Marlin Model 60. It's 60 yards. It's 2-inch dots that I got stapled up on that thing over there. No, not the well house. But this stuff was so dry, it didn't even stick on the trees much, really. It just hit the trees. It was a dusty snow, you know? Alright, people. We're up here at the 60-yard mark. He's shooting his 702 Plinkster first. Some 2-inch black dots down there. So yeah, just whenever you're ready, man. Hey, Mike, decide to just keep it right here. Just remember to pull out. There you go. Alright.
I'll shoot it at the top one.
You gonna go for the top?
Mm-hmm.
Now he is using the factory 25 round magazine. We'd already done one video on. Oh, yeah, on safety. That always happens. Even I do that. Smoke it. You see where you hit?
Mm-mm. I think I do.
Just concentrate. You get on 9 tower. If you really look, you probably ought to see it. But if you ain't seeing nothing, like, because you should be able to see it if you hit it in a part without the dot. I know it'll show up there. Oh yeah, how many times did you shoot? I ain't even counting.
I'm guessing like 6 or something.
We're at 6. Alright, let me take a turn. I forgot to tell you, he's only supposed to shoot 5 times a piece, but he's got a few on me, but it's alright. Been squeezing extra ones in that new magazine trying to get the spring broke in, so oh man, gotta readjust here. Alright. Oh man. I feel like I'm doing a split. Alright. Now you done top one, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we're out. Oh man, if I can get up. That's a steep. Especially with that snow, it makes it harder. Alright, people. Well, we're back down here. So let's take a look at the results. I gotta set my gun down right here. Up against here so it won't fall. Alrighty. Sun got the top dot. These are 2-inch dots, okay? Because there's 1 inch, there's 2 inch. See what I'm saying? Going by the thumb. The rule of thumb. He got 1, 2, 3 in there. 2 off to there. But once again, see what we're talking about here? 2-inch dots, just like this one. 2-inch dot. I got pretty much, that was a damn good little group right there. Like just cutting a little line across. 2 in there, 1 grazy like, but still a good group. And then the first shot, I was aiming up above, and I was like, damn, I seen that hit right there, and I was like, then that was the second shot, and the rest of them just cut across. So, but like I say, we ain't practiced all day, man. We just bring this stuff out here. No practice, you know, within like a week prior to this video, and that's what we do. So, like I say, because if you just go hunting, you can't go out in the morning and just blast off 100 rounds for some practice, or you'll scare off all your game. So anyway, see how it works. You get the idea. So, definitely see you on that next video. Good old Marlin Model 60. And a good old 702 Plinkster, Mossberg. Basically identical guns, people. So, alright. See you on that next one.